Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry it's been a while since I last posted. So I've received most of the parts for the car, and the delay was because let me show you. So the rad pack was here, and I was cleaning everything to put the rad pack together, and then realized the harness for the oil sensor monitor was snapped in here. So I've replaced that now, and then I realized this bit here, which is a camshaft adjuster magnet. So the harness for this one was snapped as well. So without replacing this, it's hard for me to like put everything together, because I'll have to take everything apart again to replace these two. So all the parts are here now. Let's get started, put everything together. Given the inner panel spa day before wing gets bolted up, poor thing might never see the daylight again, so why not? The wing took a bit of wrestling. The mounting panel was slightly bent. Luckily, I had my little chief helping me out. Bonnet held on by 4 13mm, I think, 13mm bolts. Nice and simple. It didn't take too long. Next up, pulling off the camshaft adjuster magnet, followed by the timing chain cover, so the new one can go in. Also just give a little clean up. So the camshaft adjuster magnet, it plays a key role in controlling the flow of the oil to the camshaft phaser. It adjusts the valve timing, and basically it just helps the engine run smoother and more efficiently. Bolting down the rad pack holders to get everything lined up for the rad pack assembly. Thankfully, my little chief on the clock again, otherwise I'd be here all day. Connecting all the hoses for the air condenser. Don't worry, I'll be regassing it soon, because I'm not planning on getting a barbecue in this hot weather. So now I'm connecting the hoses for the intercooler. This is really important because this way we can make Jeremy Clarkson really happy. So the intercooler cools down the air coming from the turbo, which makes it denser and packed with more oxygen, which helps the engine run more efficiently, and as Jeremy Clarkson says, more power as well. Now I'm connecting the hoses for the radiator. So the radiator's job is to keep the engine cool by circulating coolant and transferring heat away. Basically, it's like the engine's personal air conditioner, but way less glamorous though. Now I'm pouring the coolant, and then shortly followed by the engine oil. Getting everything topped up so I can fire up the engine for the first time. Let's hope that it doesn't sound like a dying robot though. So guys, as you saw, the radiator pack is in now. So I've installed everything. Hopefully I've not missed anything, like any harnesses or anything. I've topped up the oil and I've put the coolant in, and I'm gonna try and start it now. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't bring up any issues. I'm gonna connect the OBD reader and check for any fault codes. There's loads. The engine management light is on. Let me show you. So engine management lights and few other lights are on. This airbag light is on. I'm not sure why. I'll try and delete some of the codes and see if it's coming back. So there are a few issues, not few, like quite a lot. I'm gonna try and clear it all. Let's see what's coming back. Thus me being sad and upset because worryingly 26 fault codes came back. But hopefully we can sort them out. I hope it's not rocket science. But I'm committed now. I know I will get it done. So as you can see, I've not changed the bumper because I spoke to the body shop, and the only major damage is this big crack here. It's not cracky, like it was separated. So plastic welded it, and they said that they can fix it and bring it back to life. So there's no real point of changing a whole bumper. So one thing I've done though is I'm not going for the standard grille and all this. I've upgraded to the honeycomb style, fully blacked out. So let's get this fixed, and come on, let's start putting this together then. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put the grill on. I hope it fits because it's like slightly bent out of shape here and there, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to the body shop anyway. I'm gonna put it on there. Show you the new grill. Ooh, I like it. So that's the new grill. All blacked out badge. I don't like this way, but I have no option, do I? Let's see how we'll put it on and see how it looks. Giving the bumper a warm hug with a heat gun, just a little plastic persuasion to get it back in shape. So installing the bumper was quite straightforward. It just went in smoothly. I didn't fully install it though, because I know I'm gonna have to take it back to install the headlight and all the other stuff, plus the headlight bracket and stuff. So that's it for today's video, guys. So still waiting on the driver side headlight and the brackets for the headlight. Once that's arrived, we'll fit them on the next video and see how everything lines up. Also, one more thing. So the bonnet doesn't line up. So I thought I can get away with the old brackets. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to change them as well. So I've ordered them. I will change it on the next video. And so far, thanks for watching all the builds. And if you're enjoying the video, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Also, turn on the notifications on so you don't miss out on any videos. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you on the next video.